In this video, I'm going to be using the PIAF Tactile Image Maker with the magic paper and various pens to show you how best to get the best tactile raised images using this paper. The first thing I need to explain is that we need to have the heat dial up to maximum to get the best effect. Secondly, it may be necessary to do 2 or more passes of the paper to get the highest lines. When drawing on the magic paper, you can use any regular whiteboard marker. We recommend the J. Burroughs whiteboard markers. They're not expensive and they're quite a thick tip on them. You can also use finer tip pens. This is the Unipin Fine Line, and this gives you like a much finer nib. The idea is you just draw onto the paper. Now the magic paper, it's important that you use the off-white coloured side, not the bright white coloured side. The bright white coloured side is the back, and the off-white coloured side, that's the reactive side that reacts to when you draw and put it through the PIAF. So you just draw your lines or your diagrams just as you would normally, whatever the subject matter is, and this way you can get thinner lines with the fine line type marker pens, and of course thicker lines with the whiteboard marker pens. The intensity of the black will raise higher, so just bear that in mind. You will get a finer line with the fine line pens. And of course you can use combinations of pens for cross-hatching and so on. Once you've done your picture on the paper, it doesn't raise automatically. You need to pass it through the PIAF. So you pass it through the PIAF. The heat in the PIAF will raise the inked areas. So with this, for the first pass, I've now got a very distinct line from the thicker marker pen, and a very thin fine line from the finer pen, which would mean I'd probably have to put it through another couple of times to raise the finer lines. It doesn't matter how many times you put the paper through, it doesn't blister or spot, so you can quite happily pass it through. There's no danger of overheating or anything like that. So even though I've passed it through 3 times now, I haven't damaged the thicker line, and I can quite distinctly feel the thinner lines coming up through here as well. Now there are a number of pens that can work well with this magic paper. On our website we actually have got links to the various pens that we've tested, so I encourage you to have a look at that, and you can get these sorts of pens from Officeworks or any other stationer. Thank you.